Hi, this is Chef and I'm back in the kitchen with my favorite daughter.
Epicurious Emma!
And only daughter. And we are making an easy cookie recipe.
It's so easy, there's only 5 ingredients.
You can count. And you know what? There's
That's
only
optional.
4. This is optional. I decided to put sprinkles in because I know we're extra.
Yes.
Everybody loves sprinkles, right? By the way, you have like lipstick mark right on the side of your face. All right, let's get started with this cookie recipe. This is a salted caramel chocolate cookie recipe. So what in all goes in here, Emma?
Okay, the cake mix, 2 eggs, a cup of vegetable oil, and then the Rolo goes in the middle.
So disregard the instructions on the box. 2 eggs, half a cup of oil. We're gonna show you how easy this is because Emma's gonna mix this with a fork. So like we can make 9 cookies out of this, right?
Yes.
Can I eat this part?
Yes.
Oh my god, that's so delicious. People say cookie dough is good. Cake dough is better. So tablespoon, Rolo, a little bit on top. Now you guys get the frozen or the already pre-made cookie dough. That's the shape I'm trying to get it to. I'm just gonna dunk it in a little bit of the sprinkles. The sprinkles, like I said, are optional, but we're extra. So we're gonna do that. And look at how gorgeous that looks already. Who doesn't love this? And when the chocolate melts in here, Emma, it's like it makes it extra like moist in the middle of all that.
And after it comes out, it's so soft. You just break it with your fingers and all the caramel comes oozing out.
While you finish the rest of those up, I'm gonna put some salt on top of them, okay?
Okay.
So this is just some sea salt I'm gonna grind on top. And what I love about the sea salt is that you have the sweet on there and then the salt just kind of balances all out. I'm just gonna smush that on top just a little bit. It's a very subtle salt flavor on there. Put them in the oven, 350, 10 to 12 minutes. All right, here we go. 12 minutes. Got it. Cookies. Emma,
Yeah.
check out our cookies. Okay. So this is the toughest part of this recipe, is waiting until it cools down, like 1 minute, 60 seconds. That's all you need. They cool, we let them cool for 5 minutes.
I can break it on top of the pan.
You sure can. Will you share that with me? Will you feed it to me?
Okay, Mommy.
Thank you, baby. Look at that. Oh! That cookie is like so, it's so soft. So red. Cake dough is so soft. And then you get the perfect melted caramel in the middle. Yum. That Rolo though. Then you have that chocolate melt around it, makes it like super moist around the cookie itself.
It's still gooey on the inside.
Well, I think we did pretty good. Cookie hacks accomplished. Make this. Hashtag Chef
Chef
Uno.
Uno.